are going to have the added complexity of putting circles and curves in. I told you this last time. But for this one, Lab 30, we're going to be wrapping up just doing the non-curved ones today. And let's see here. Why are we not lining up right? Good enough. Alright, so this one's small enough. We're going to go ahead and start off by doing the 3 views first. And then you guys are going to do the isometric view basically on your own. This one's pretty simple. It's only got a couple of lines that are not considered to be part of the cube that it fits inside of. So as a can I do this at all formative assessment, I think it works well for this practice. So like I said, we'll do the isometric view. I'm going to do them together, and then you're going to do the isometric on your own, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done as an isometric view. So this shape is pretty small. It's only 2.5 inches wide. It is 1.25 inches tall, and it is 1 inch deep. So 2.5 inches, that means 1.25 is going to be my center. Once I'm done, the video for this will be posted, as well as the picture. Yeah, as well as the full-on picture on the Canvas assignment. Half of 1.25 is going to be 5/8. If we look at the front view measurements, we know that when we're drawing the isometric view, the 2 shoulders, I guess, are going to be 3/4 of an inch on each side. So I'm going to come over 3/4 of an inch on each side. But I'm also going to leave a mark at 1/4 of an inch because that's where my angle starts, the other one. Yeah. What is what? This is Lab 30. This is the front view of Lab 30. It's on the screen and it's in your book. Alright, the angles for both of these are 45. You can tell that because of the distance in to the center on each side and the distance down. So what we're going to do for this is take a 45-degree triangle. There are a number of ways to do this, but realistically, from the shoulders here, and then from the 1/4 inch measurements here. And then lastly, a line to connect the dots. Right side view is a rectangle with a hidden angle in it. So it's 1 inch wide as told by the top view. Did you need anything from me, guys? Sounds good. Sounds good. So to get the angle, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to do any measuring. All we have to do is line up with the center point of the angle in the front view and put a mark on the right side. Line up with the center point mark of the front view at the bottom and put in a mark on the left side, and then connect them. And then make it hidden later. And then other than the 1 inch measurement, the top view shouldn't require any measurements either. So I've lined up the 1 inch mark, or the 1/2 inch mark with my vertical center at the top. I'll draw a line 1 inch on the left, 1 inch down on the right, one in the center, same way I did with the right. On the back line, I'm going to put a mark that starts with this one here. And the bottom, I'll put a line. Yep. I got them backwards, so just beware. On the bottom line, I'll put a mark that starts with the outside. On the top line, I'll put a mark that starts with the inside. And mirror that on the other side. Once I have those 4 dots, no measurements needed, just connect them. No hidden lines up here either. I will reveal what the isometric view looks like as soon as I finish it. It'll just take a minute or two. And then you can work towards completing that. Let's see here. And here's what the isometric view looks like. Literally creating it is creating the prism, the rectangular prism. Finding the center point and measuring down what it tells you on the front view, and measuring up what it tells you on the front view, and then just connecting the appropriate dots to the ends of the line.